Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. All well? Everything is fine. So we are here to discuss the weekly current affairs MCQs of last 1 week, that is from 29th of June to 5th of July. So I hope the message is clear to all of you that what we are going to do today in this session. Let's start the weekly MCQs. Basically, we will be focusing on banking, finance, insurance sector and RBI circular, SEBI circular, such type of questions. Comparatively more because our target is mainly banking, finance and insurance sector examination, including the regulatory bodies. Okay. Chali, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning. Joy, good morning. Rakshit, Pankhudi. Yes, Vihari, very good morning. So I thought that Vihari, that you will be free on Sunday. So I kept the session on Sunday. See? Chalo. Let's start the session, guys. No information about the PNB SO till now. About the call letter, once it will be out, I'll inform you. If you're preparing or anyone around you is preparing for the interview, ask them. Parallelly prepare for the written examination of RRB PO clerk as well. For the preparation of interview, they can keep the dependency on the batch of Aditya sir. By using the coupon code Aditya, they can join it. Do not forget to use the coupon code Aditya while opting for the Oliveboard courses to avail the maximum discount and to prepare under the guidance of Aditya sir. Starting with the question number 1. Question number 1 is related to a recent loan offered to Government of India. Loan amount is $170 million. So consider the correct statement about $170 million policy based loan signed by Government of India recently. Statement number 1, the loan has been signed to enhance India's economic growth and infrastructure development. So is it related to infrastructure development? Yes or no? Is it related to economic growth? Yes or no? Recently, Government of India and World Bank have signed the loan agreement of $170 million. So, Government of India and World Bank have signed this loan of $170 million. Statement number 2. Third, the program will be anchored the major government plan including National Health Policy, Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Yojana. If statement number 3 is correct, definitely one will not correct because they are counter to each other. Statement number 3 is saying that the project is related to healthcare. One is saying that it is related to infrastructure. So either 1 or 3 will be correct answer. Both will not be the correct answer at a time. I hope you are getting my point. Yes? चलो स्किप कर रहे हैं कुछ लोग. ठीक है, मैं आंसर पे मूव करता हूं. करेक्ट आंसर स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3. 1 is wrong, 2nd is wrong. So recently Government of India plus Asian Development Bank collaborated for and signed the loan agreement of $170 million. $170 million loan agreement have been signed between these two organizations. It was signed related to strengthening the health system of India. Health system of India. For fight with the future pandemics, any type of future pandemics. So to make India ready for such type of pandemic in future, this agreement have been signed. Is my statement clear? Yes or no? चलो ठीक है. सबका गलत होता है, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. I enjoy a lot when you guys do wrong answers. Here in the session. Then I enjoy. Why? When you will do wrong here in the session, you will read more carefully. And your attempts will be better in your examination. So for the better attempts for examination, when you answer wrong in the session, I feel happy. Right? You got my point, no? Yeah. So ADB Asian Development Bank, Masat Sagu Asakawa is the president, Mr. Bhargav Das Gupta VP, Moi Oka is ADB director, Vikas Seal is the executive director of ADB. Total number of member countries 68. 1966 ADB was founded. Manila, Philippines is the headquarter. Okay. Yeah. Warrior is saying Aditya sir missed your session yesterday. One day definitely I will be taking leave from all of you guys, right? एक दिन तो मैं छुट्टी मारूंगा, either Saturday or Sunday. So one day you need to miss me, at least one day in a week. Who has been appointed as the new executive director of Reserve Bank of India out of the given options? Correct. Option number 1 is Charulata as Clerk ma'am. Ravi Agrawal sir. नाम सुना सुना लग रहा है Ravi Agrawal sir. Who is Ravi Agrawal sir? सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स के चेयरपर्सन है मिस्टर रवि अग्रवाल. नवीन चंद्र झा जी. नवीन चंद्र झा. नवीन चंद्र झा कौन है? वेयर ही इज अपॉइंटेड. झा साहब, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम एक्चुअली. झा साहब वेयर ही इज अपॉइंटेड, बट रिसेंट अपॉइंटमेंट में है. संजय कुमार अग्रवाल है सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स एंड कस्टम. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. एसबीआई जनरल इंश्योरेंस में अपॉइंट हुए. करेक्ट. एसबीआई जनरल इंश्योरेंस नवीन चंद्र झा सर. करेक्ट है. पीके मिश्रा सर. पीके मिश्रा सर इज द प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर. प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर पीके मिश्रा. तो ये पॉइंट हो गए. हाँ, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी है प्राइम मिनिस्टर के. चारुलता एस कर मैम रिसेंटली अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. राइट, ये हमने डिस्कस किया है. सेम क्वेश्चन with different option. Who has been appointed as the new executive director of Reserve Bank of India? Because recently two executive director of RBI has been appointed. Two different executive director of RBI has been appointed. One more question, guys. In the sessions we had a discussion around that the board of directors or RBI board decided according to which section of RBI Act 1934. If you remember, quickly give the answer. So RBI Act 1934, which section defines the formation of executive board of Reserve Bank of India? Very good. Section 8, easy to remember. So according to section 8, this board of directors are appointed, and RBI have total 21 members under their board. 21 members are there in the board of directors of Reserve Bank of India, those who are taking the major calls regarding RBI. So another executive director who has been appointed is Mr. Arnab Kumar Chaudhary sir. So Mr. Arnab Kumar Chaudhary appointed as the executive director of Reserve Bank of India. Charulata ma'am, Arnab Kumar Chaudhary sir, who has been appointed as the Deputy National Security Advisor of India recently. Deputy National Security Advisor of India recently. Who has been appointed? Deputy National Security Advisor of India recently. Vikram Mistry sir. नाम सुना है हमने. विक्रम मिस्त्री सर अपॉइंटेड एज. विक्रम मिस्त्री करेक्ट है क्या? चलिए आंसर पे आ जाता हूं. टीवी रविचंद्रन सर. टीवी रविचंद्रन सर. Vikram Mistry sir was the Deputy National Security Advisor of India. Recently he has been appointed as the Secretary of Ministry of External Affairs. Secretary of Ministry of External Affairs means Foreign Ministry of India. So Secretary of Foreign Ministry appointed recently as the Secretary to Mr. Vikram Mistry, who was the Deputy National Security Advisor. So he was the DNSA. Now he has been appointed on the position of Secretary of External Affairs Ministry. Mr. Vikram Mistry will be replaced by TV Ravichandran. So TV Ravichandran sir will be taking the place of Mr. Vikram Mistry. Another appointment, Mr. Rajendra Khanna has been appointed as the additional NSA, additional National Security Advisor. Is my point clear? Additional this one, Rajendra Khanna sir, additional NSA appoint हुए हैं. Point clear है? Yes. चलिए आगे मूव करें. नेक्स्ट है, which of the following organization partnered with Online PSB Loan Limited to digitize the Jan Suraksha scheme for the regional rural bank recently for providing the lending facility? All the Jan Suraksha schemes will be available with the support of regional rural bank with the support of Online PSB. Which organization have done the collaboration in this case? So organization is which one? Nabard, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Nabard registered under the Act of 1981, started in the year 1982. अच्छा, कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? मुझे डेट बताइए. What is the date on which date Nabard was started in the year 1982? Exact date बताइए. So currently there are 43 RRBs we have in India. There are 43 regional rural banks are available in India. These regional rural bank are going to get Jan Suraksha schemes to be offered digitally online. Okay, 12 July, very good. 12 July. It means birthday of Nabard is going to come, right? Very soon we will be having the birthday of Nabard. So we'll celebrate on that day in our TNA, in our daily current affairs show, right? 12th of July है. Important रहेगा. So Nabard started on 12th of July 1982, registered under the Act of 81, started on the recommendation of CAIIB Committee, which was also known as B. Shivaraman Committee. Another question is, consider the correct statement which of the following schemes comes under Jan Suraksha scheme. Out of the league question, IBPS can think around it. They can definitely raise the question like this. वो जरूर पूछ लेंगे उठाकर, जन सुरक्षा स्कीम जो है, ये स्कीम इनमें से कौन सी स्कीम जन सुरक्षा स्कीम के अंडर में है? ठीक है, ओके. जन सुरक्षा स्कीम, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्कीम्स आर अंडर जन सुरक्षा स्कीम्स? करेक्ट आंसर है आपके पास अटल पेंशन योजना, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. So these three schemes comes under Jan Suraksha scheme. These three schemes comes under Jan Suraksha scheme. All three schemes launched on the same date, 9th of May 2015 from Kolkata, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I'll tell you, you will never see this question anywhere at the any other platform. कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, because it is difficult to think around this कि यार ऐसा question frame हो सकता है from the current affairs, but they can frame. Because you know about IBPS, they raise such type of question, right? Important hai. So Nabard was started on 12th of July 1982. It was started on the recommendation of CAIIB Committee. Full form was Committee to Review the Arrangement of Institutional Credit for Agriculture and Rural Development. The committee chairperson was Mr. B. Shivaraman. Committee made more famous on the name of B. Shivaraman Committee, which have recommended the formation of Nabard. So if you get the question in your examination, Nabard was started on the recommendation of which of the following committee? Answer will be either B. Shivaraman Committee or CAIIB Committee. Both are correct. Not a problem. After that, your RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, it is maintained by Nabard, while UIDF, Urban Infrastructure Development Fund, it is managed by NHB, National Housing Bank. So these Nabard, NHB, these type of organizations comes under All India Financial Institution. At present, we have 5 All India Financial Institutions in India. That is Nabard, NABARD. Second one, NHB, National Housing Bank. Third one is SEBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. One is National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development, National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development, and one is EXIM, Export Import Bank of India. So these are the 5 All India institutions, All India financial institutions we have. Which cricketer have been announced as the new brand ambassador for Puma India? हाल ही में Puma India ने अपने नए brand ambassadors अनाउंस किए हैं. इनमें से ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन आपको देखने को मिल रहे हैं, out of these combinations, which combination is the correct answer as the new brand ambassador for Puma? Correct answer है Nitish Kumar Reddy and Riyan Parag. So simple question. Next, which of the following is a wrong statement? Question ध्यान से पढ़ लो. Which of the following consider as a wrong statement about Nirman Portal? Nirman Portal के बारे में आपको क्या करना है? Wrong statement निकाल कर बताना है. Statement number 1 is the portal was launched by कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी. अच्छा, आपको याद है इसको लॉन्च किसने किया था? धर्मेंद्र प्रधान सर ने लॉन्च किया था क्या इसको? यस और नो में आंसर करते हुए चलना. फर्स्ट वन इज रॉन्ग. व्हाई? जी किशन रेड्डी सर हैव लॉन्च्ड इट, राइट? निर्माण स्टैंड्स फॉर नोबल इनिशिएटिव फॉर रिवॉर्डिंग मेंस एस्पिरेंट फॉर द नेशनल सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन. After that, candidate must belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, female or third gender category with the annual family income less than 8 lakh rupees. So this is a correct statement. Statement 2 और statement 3 आपका correct लग रहा है. Fourth one पर देखें, candidate must reside in 28 operational districts under Coal India Limited. ये नंबर भी गलत लग रहा है. So statement number 1 is wrong, statement number 4 is wrong, second is right, third is right. Now question they were asking you wrong statement you need to identify, so your answer will be 1 and 4, second and third are correct. Is my point clear? या 28 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स नहीं है, 39 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं. So under CIL there are 39 operational districts. So in these operational districts, the candidate belongs to 39 operational districts under Coal India Limited. They will be able to get the benefit of 1 lakh rupee per year. Those who have cleared the pre-examination and they belongs to SC, ST, women and third gender category with a family where the family income is less than 8 lakh rupee. तो 8 लाख रुपए से कम जिनका फैमिली इनकम है. पॉइंट समझ में आया? बोले यस और नो. आगे आ जाओ. और लॉन्च किसने किया था? जी किशन रेड्डी सर ने लॉन्च किया था, मिनिस्टर ऑफ कोल एंड माइनिंग है इंडिया में. कंसीडर द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट नेक्सस. ये हमने डिस्कस किया है डेली वाले में, डेली डीएनए में. So Project Nexus is a multilateral international initiative enable the instant cross-border retail payment, interlinking the domestic fast payment services. So Project Nexus is one of the very important question for upcoming examination. देखो मैं आपको कुछ पॉइंट बता दूं. कुछ मंथ्स ऐसे होते हैं, लाइक अप्रैल मंथ है. अप्रैल मंथ में अनाउंस हुआ था डिजिटा इनिशिएटिव. याद है? किसी को याद है डिजिटा इनिशिएटिव? Digita initiative was one of the very important question for upcoming examination. Even till when you will be giving your interviews in the month of December, January 2024, they can ask you that what was the recent this Digita initiative we heard from the Reserve Bank of India. So Digita initiative, then for the unclaimed deposit, RBI have launched this Udgam portal. These type of initiatives are a part of banking awareness. Keep them away from current affairs. They are so important. They will be included into banking awareness part. They are going to continue till March 2024 as a part of your important current affairs, right? It is also one of the question. Project Nexus. So statement number 1 is correct. Statement number 3 is correct. Second one is wrong because here Malaysia. 4 nations were Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. Out of 11 nations, 4 nations have collaborated for the Project Nexus. At present, there are total 11 nations in the ASEAN. We have discussed it. Which of the following is not a permanent member of ASEAN? So India is not the permanent member of ASEAN. ASEAN was started, full form is Association of Southeast Asian Nations, started in the year 1967. Bangkok, Thailand, headquarters located in Jakarta, Indonesia. The last summit was held in September 2023 in Jakarta, Indonesia. Next summit 2024 scheduled as a 44th summit of ASEAN in Laos. Laos में summit आपका अगला वाला जो है वो scheduled है. And recently as the 11th member, East Timor have joined. Capital is Delhi. US dollar is the currency. PSLV, BMC on time, capital, currency, country name, all 3 things have been given here. Without any efforts, you are getting extremely important data in your pocket. Please utilize it, revise it properly. Next one. Who has represented India as 86th session of Executive Committee of Codex at Food and Agriculture Organization headquarter in Rome? भारत को किसने represent किया है जो Codex meeting conduct हुआ? The meeting was conducted by FAO and WHO. Food Agriculture Organization ने WHO के साथ, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके इस मीटिंग को कंडक्ट किया. नेम वाज कोडेक्स. फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ इंडिया इट वाज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय जी कमलावर्धन राव. हु इज जी कमलावर्धन राव जी? सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द CEO ऑफ फूड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. फूड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. पॉइंट क्लियर है? पॉइंट क्लियर है? इंडिया होस्टेड, यस, कोडेक्स वाज होस्टेड बाय इंडिया लास्ट ईयर, करेक्ट है. दिस ईयर इट इज 86th सेशन व्हिच इज कंडक्टेड बाय FAO एंड WHO. नेक्स्ट है, अंडर द तमिलनाडु डिफेंस इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस हैव साइंड द एग्रीमेंट टू एस्टेब्लिश्ड MOU to establish 5 state-of-art testing facility in Chennai, 3 state-of-art testing facility in Coimbatore, 3 state-of-art testing facility in Hyderabad, 3 state-of-art testing facility in Chennai, 2 state-of-art testing facility Bengaluru. बढ़िया. आंसर बताइए. And if you are able to get confused, then I am very happy. अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं. Okay, I'm taking time over this question if you will observe. चलो आंसर पे मूव करते हैं. Three state of art testing facility will be started in Chennai. For this purpose, Tamil Nadu, see, first of all, Tamil Nadu Defense Industrial Corridor. Once you get this point, definitely option will not be Hyderabad. Option will not be Bangalore, right? Definitely you should remove immediately Hyderabad, Bangalore. Now, answer can be either from this Chennai, Coimbatore and Chennai. So you can short it out. Now out of three options, what will be my correct answer? I hope you are getting my point. Yes? Yeah. So correct answer is three state-of-art testing facility where in Chennai will be started by the Ministry of Defense. And it will be related to unmanned aerial system, that is called your drone. Second, electronic warfare. Third, electro-optics. So these are the 3 points. I hope it is clear. Next one. So which of the following bank recently launched Sapphire Forex specifically designed for the international student pursuing higher education in abroad? If any one of you are the customer of this bank, maybe they are already using Sapphire debit card or Sapphire credit card. It is a very famous card of this particular bank. So Sapphire card is actually offered by ICICI Bank. Easy to answer. So ICICI Bank recently launched prepaid card. It is not going to be a debit card or credit card. It is a prepaid card where you can load the fund and utilize whenever you are in need. So Sapphire Forex card will be offered by ICICI Bank exclusively for the Indian student, those who are studying in abroad. Remaining, you have the very important point related to the ICICI Bank, that what are the initiative launched by ICICI Bank, including what are the recent current affairs point regarding ICICI Bank. Get these point from the PDF से डाउनलोड करिएगा. अगला क्वेश्चन है, which financial institution has introduced a new home loan product called Sambhav Home Loan, specifically designed for first time home buyers? पहली बार जो होम लोन ले रहे हैं उनके लिए डिजाइन किया गया है, अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग लोन है, नाम रखा है इसका संभव होम लोन. सो संभव होम लोन लॉन्च्ड बाय which of the following? correct answer है Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. So Bajaj Housing Finance Limited launched Sambhav Home. Under this, the people, those who are having the monthly income of up to 10,000 rupee, even they are able to get the loan of up to 10 lakh rupee. Up to 10 lakh rupee loan facility will be available for the duration of 20 years at the affordable rate of interest. So it is a new initiative by Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. They are moving into the affordable housing finance category. Till now, they were focused on the higher income group. Now they are targeting to the lower income group as well. A unit-linked insurance plan called Nifty Alpha 50 Index was launched by which of the following? Nifty Alpha 50, which include the alpha stocks, alpha equities, the equity which can give you very quick higher returns, also consume heavy risk associated with such type of equity. They are called alpha equity. So alpha equity index fund was recently launched by Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company. So Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company ने अभी recently launch किया है Nifty Alpha 50 Index. Next one, which of the following company has unveiled an AI powered health insurance plan called Elevate? Elevate insurance plan was launched by which of the following insurance company? किस insurance company ने launch किया है Elevate insurance plan? So correct answer है ICICI Lombard. So ICICI Lombard launched Elevate insurance plan. Next one, which location will be host the 16th will become the host of 16th edition of India Mongolia joint military exercise called Nomadic Elephant? So Nomadic Elephant defense exercise conducted between India and Mongolia. It is going to be conducted at which place in the year 2024? So Meghalaya. Umroi, Meghalaya is the place where the 16th edition of defense exercise, called Nomadic Elephant, which is conducted between India and Mongolia. Informations which are required to be collected. Statement number 1, 16th edition. Second, name, Nomadic Elephant. Third, conducted between India, Mongolia. Fourth, where it is conducted. So conducted Umroi, Meghalaya. So these are the 4 information you need to pick. Which joint military exercise conducted between India and Thailand recently? So correct answer है आपके पास exercise Maitri. Opposite question they can raise you. That question will be India and that the defense exercise मैत्री was conducted between India and which nation? भारत और किस देश के बीच में कंडक्ट हुआ है डिफेंस एक्सरसाइज मैत्री? तो आंसर बनेगा इंडिया एंड थाईलैंड. 13th edition of defense exercise it was. 13th edition of defense exercise it was conducted where? In Thailand this year. इस साल थाईलैंड में कंडक्ट हुआ है. Chief Minister of which state launched NTR भरोसा पेंशन स्कीम? NTR भरोसा पेंशन स्कीम जो है वो किस स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने लॉन्च किया है? करेक्ट आंसर केरला. Means the options are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. These are the options, and the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. AP recently elected Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu have launched NTR Bharosha pension scheme. So this scheme, he have also upgraded the pension amount. Pension amount you need to learn only in the case when you are writing any state level examination in Andhra Pradesh. For the central level examination, you need to simply remember that NTR Bharosa scheme launched by AP government. That is enough. Which bank facilitated Atal Pension Yojana annual award for the year 2023-24 by PFRD, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India? So you have one nationalized bank. Another one, you also have a question around RRB, Regional Rural Bank. Which RRB was awarded? Can you also list the name of RRB? Which RRB was awarded with this award by the PFRDA? So one is your Bank of India. Bank of India awarded with the Atal Pension Yojana Award 2023-24 by PFRD. Apart from that, one RRB was also there. Regional Rural Bank. Which RRB it was? That is also important. It was Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Very good. So it was Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Yes. So Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank was the bank which was also awarded by PFRD, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India, for the purpose of extension of Atal Pension Yojana, or more subscribers are there from the bank in the last financial year. Consider the correct statement about the recent news about Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana crossed total enrollment of 95 million as on 20th of June 2024. ये wrong statement आपका. The scheme was launched on 9th of May 2015. Madhya Pradesh have the highest number of subscribers, that is 10 million plus subscribers are there in Madhya Pradesh. Statement number 2 is correct. First one is wrong. Third one is wrong. First one is wrong because there are 66 million subscribers are there in the scheme as of now. 66 million subscribers हैं as on 20th of June 2024. The scheme was launched on 9th of May 2024. It is one of the Suraksha scheme that is launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, right? And UP is on top in terms of total number of subscribers. सबसे टॉप पर आपके पास जो स्टेट है वो है उत्तर प्रदेश. Remaining each and every detail regarding Atal Pension Yojana I have covered here. You can get it from the PDF. Okay, if you are finding difficulty in the downloading of PDF, you can connect with me over the Telegram. Aditya Sir GA is my Telegram ID. This is my Telegram ID. You can directly connect with me over the Telegram regarding any type of confusion in courses, any confusion in GA, any confusion in downloading the PDF. Connect with me directly. Who has launched the Geo portal named Bhuvan Panchayat? Portal for the rural land record management developed by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. So Bhuvan Panchayat was launched by Jitendra Singh. Union Minister Jitendra Singh launched two portals. One is called Bhuvan Panchayat for the rural land record management and National Database Emergency Management. These are the two portals launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh. इन्होंने launch किया है. Sierra and Blue Origin announced India has partnered the nation for human space flight program. That from India, those who have never experienced any type of space exploration mission, never ever experienced, they can apply for this mission. In this, Sierra and Blue Origin, both are US based agency. Blue Origin is a US based space tourism company. If you want to be a tourist for space, you can connect with the Blue Origin. Now for the experiment purpose, Blue Origin is asking the young Indians that they can apply. So under this collaboration, Sierra and Blue Origin will be utilizing their new spacecraft. अपना नया जो spacecraft है उसको use करेंगे, new rocket that is called New Shepard rocket. This rocket will be taking the tourist beyond the Kármán line. Kármán line is actually the boundary of space. Space का boundary है Kármán line. It is called. Yes, $2.5 इसका अमाउंट रखा हुआ है एंड एनीवन कैन अप्लाई फॉर इट, एनीवन कैन अप्लाई फॉर इट. Which airlines is establishing the South Asia's largest flight training school in Maharashtra, Amravati district? So not the Amravati of Andhra Pradesh, it is the Amravati of Maharashtra, where airlines have announced that they are going to set up the largest flight training school of Asia. Correct answer is Air India. Air India means Tata Group. So Air India have announced it. They have announced the investment of around 200 crore rupee in Amravati for the purpose of creating the largest training school, that is the aircraft training school in Amravati, Maharashtra. Campbell Wilson is the MD and CEO of Tata. This one, your Tata owned Air India. Reserve Bank of India projected an improvement in the gross NPA ratio. Scheduled commercial bank estimated to decrease their NPA how much percent by the year March 2025? Question is, RBI have given a projection that all the commercial banks are going to decrease their NPA up to how much percent by March 2025? कि March 2025 तक जो NPA है वो कितने परसेंट पर आ जाएगा? So it will be around 2.5% by the year 2025. 2025 तक ये कम होकर कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास? 2.5% तक आ जाएगा. Currently 2.8 है. Currently आपका जो NPA है, current NPA ratio is 2.8. and it is further going to decrease up to 2.5 by the year 2025, March 2025. तो ये करंट में है, ये हो जाएगा आपका मार्च 2025 तक. एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं रिगार्डिंग द डिविडेंड रूल ऑफ आरबीआई. सो एनी इंटरव्यू in the upcoming days you are going to attend, now they will ask you simply like this: why it is very important nowadays as per the RBI policy for a bank to maintain good profitability, apart from that lower NPA, to announce dividend? Or what is the new policy regarding dividend announcement? एक लाइन में खत्म हो जाएगा उनका. Do you know the recent policy about the dividend announcement by the bank? आप बोलोगे yes sir, okay, explain it. So this is the policy regarding the dividend announcement. RBI said that the bank with the NPA up to 6% will be able to announce the dividend. If the NPA is more than 6%, they cannot announce dividend. Up to 6% NPA they are holding, they can announce dividend. Statement number 1 is wrong because it is 6, not 5. Second, these banks are able to announce the dividend previously as per the recent policy up to 7%, now came down to 6%. Reserve Bank of India also increased the upper ceiling of announcing the dividend for the bank with net NPA 0, it will be 50%. So out of total profit, up to 50% of profit can be distributed in the form of dividend as per the new guideline of RBI. So it is not 60%, it is 50%. For this, you need to cover the session in detail. मैंने सारा कुछ ये explain किया हुआ है detail में TNA में. So cover the TNA of last week, you will be able to understand the guideline if you have not covered it properly. आगे चलिए sir. Which of the following have announced the retirement from T20 international cricket after winning the World Cup against South Africa? इनमें से कितने लोगों ने अभी रिसेंटली अनाउंस किया है that they are going to take the retirement from the T20 international cricket? T20 international cricket में इन्होंने रिटायरमेंट अनाउंस किया है. What is the correct answer? विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, रविंद्र जडेजा. कितने लोगों को लग रहा है सर फ्री मार्क्स? नथिंग एफर्ट्स रिक्वायर्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन एंड कंप्लीटली फ्री मार्क्स. ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ठीक है, करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो ऑल थ्री हैव अनाउंस्ड. रविंद्र जडेजा, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma have announced the retirement from the T20 Cricket World Cup. You will get such type of questions also, don't worry. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. 5 to 6 such question definitely you are going to get in the examination. Don't become very happy after observing such question. That question paper is easy because this is what the strategy. Keep 4 to 5 such type of question which everyone will be able to answer. Everyone. So they can understand your consciousness over it. That sometimes we do silly mistake, that by the silly mistake do you made such question wrong. So people do silly mistake, that is why such type of questions are there in examination. 5 to 6 questions will be there. They are not creating the question paper easy. That is the strategy that keeps such type of questions also. And apart from that, around 15 to 20 questions will be moderate level, then difficult level. So there is a combination. Which state government have launched the state government मुख्यमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि? करेक्ट आंसर इज राजस्थान. कोई मध्य प्रदेश आंसर कर रहा है क्या भाई? Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma have announced Mukhyamantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme and 650 crore rupee, the first installment recently released by Chief Minister. Under this, 1000 rupee, then 500 rupee and 500 rupee will be provided by the state government. Apart from the PM Kisan scheme, 6000 rupee, 2000 rupee additional benefit will be given by the state government for the farmers within the state. Which state have recently announced celebration of Hul Kranti Divas to make the independence movement of 1855? So Hul Kranti Divas celebrated by which state? Correct answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand ने celebrate किया है Hul Kranti Divas. Consider the correct statement about the agriculture infrastructure fund. Again, for the RRB, PO, RRB clerk and IBPS clerk examination, extremely important question. Consider the correct statement about agriculture infrastructure fund. This fund was launched in 2019. Statement number 1. आपसे बोला डेट बताओ कब लॉन्च हुआ. So 2019. Second, it was launched with the total outlay of 1 lakh crore rupee funding by the year 2024, 25, 26. Second है, recently Shivraj Singh Chauhan have launched the web portal developed by Nabard to speed up the claim settlement under agriculture infrastructure fund. Third बोल रहा है that Chauhan Saab have also launched Krishi Khata, a blog site meant to serve as a large digital platform to showcase the voice of Indian farmer. भारतीय किसानों की आवाज बनने के लिए कृषि खाता नामक एक पोर्टल भी लॉन्च इन्होंने किया है. करेक्ट आंसर स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 and 3 आर करेक्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज रॉन्ग. पहला गलत है आपका. सेकेंड और थर्ड करेक्ट है. चौहान साहब लॉन्च द पोर्टल डेवलप्ड बाय नाबार्ड, ऑल्सो लॉन्च कृषि खाता. फर्स्ट में क्या चैलेंजेस हैं उसको चेक कर लेते हैं. सो फर्स्ट one is the portal was developed in the year 2020. This fund was developed, agricultural infrastructure fund was developed in 2020 with the objective to raise 1 lakh crore rupee by the year 2024, 25, 26. Out of total, Union Ministry said the investment worth around 72,000 crore rupee have been mobilized. Out of 1 lakh crore, 72,000 crore have been mobilized. Out of 72,000 crore, 43,000 crore already sanctioned. So 1 lakh crore rupee का target है by the year 25-26. 73,000 crore have been mobilized under this fund. Fund was created in the year 2020. Recently, online portal developed by Nabard launched by Shivraj Singh Chauhan. तो ये point हो गया. Apart from this portal, Krishi Khata, which is going to become the voice of Indian farmer, that portal was also launched by Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who is the new agriculture minister of India. E-Shankhikiya portal was launched by which of the following ministry? किस ministry ने launch किया है E-Shankhikiya portal? Yeah. E-Shankhikiya portal. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Very good. India's core sector grow by how much percent in May 2024 this year compared to the same period of last year? So correct answer है 6.3%. 6.3% growth देखा गया इंडिया के core sector में in May 2024 compared to the same period of last year. Next is, who has been appointed as the managing director and CEO of India First, that is India First Life Insurance Company? India First Life Insurance Company का MD and CEO अभी recently किसको अपॉइंट किया गया है? करेक्ट आंसर है मिस्टर ऋषभ गांधी have been appointed in place of Vishakha RM. So in place of Vishakha RM recently Mr. Rishabh Gandhi have been appointed. So Rishabh Gandhi have been appointed. Last question for the day. आज के लिए आखिरी क्वेश्चन है. Consider the correct statement about SEBI BSDA in news. So SEBI increased the limit of basic service demat account facility to 15 lakh rupee from 2 lakh effective from 1st of October. It was launched in 2022. Answer the question in comment box. Comment में इसके आंसर लगाइए. I'll be meeting you back tomorrow morning 8 AM. मैं मिलूंगा कल सुबह आपसे 8 बजे in your daily current affairs show called TNA. Today's news analysis, one of the current affairs show which is completely dedicated, targeted only for banking, insurance and regulatory body examination. So it is completely targeted to the examination. If your target is same, collaborate with the TNA and follow the current affairs specifically for your examination without any confusion. I'll be meeting you back, guys, tomorrow morning. Do not miss to like this session, share with your friends so they can also get the idea regarding the current affairs importance and the depthness of current affairs in upcoming examination. Thank you for joining the session. Jai Hind.